Is this on? Okay, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Real Life with Fun. Today, I'm showing you my dimples and my poppets that I just got today. So last time I showed you this one. You guys remember this from one of my friends. But let's just put that on the shelf here. And today, I'm going to show you guys my other fidget that just arrived today, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I've been playing with them all day long now. So, yeah, let's get into it. So this, as you can see, this is one of my favorites. It's the Among Us dimple. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but it's quite loud. But here, listen to it. Really good, right? So yeah, here's my Among Us dimple. Next up, we have another dimple. It's a gaming controller dimple, where you can like pop all this, kind of covered with dimples. And yeah, there's like pink, blue, green, and all of this other colors. So yeah. Next is a dimple I would want to carry around like so much. So yeah, this is the dimple. It's the dimple I wanted to show. So yeah, you can carry this around anywhere. In here, and there's really nice colors, guys. I personally not too much a fan of orange. No offense, but these two colors I love so much. Okay, now we're moving on to poppets. I have 6 in total with this poppet. Oh, we have a guest. Say hi, Zia.
Hi.
So we're showing poppets. You want to help me?
Yeah. And this is a big one.
Yeah, it's a mega poppet. It may look really small
And
and
these
just
are not really puppets.
yeah.
These.
I already showed them. And this one here is the mega poppet. It might not look too big on your screen, but it's ginormous in real life. Listen to it. Good, right? And like, listen to the game controller dimple. Good, right? And we also have an Among Us poppet. Personally, one of my favorite poppets ever. It's really good. Oh, okay. But yeah, here I'm gonna show you guys all of them. So first we're going with the poppets. Here's this poppet I showed you in last video. And if you haven't seen that video yet, listen to this.
These are
Dimples, yeah.
yeah, dimples. They're dimples. And there's a monkey chore, Among Us, and a fidget spinner. And these are not Kindles. And this one,
Yeah, I already showed them. Okay.
and I got the monkey chore.
Can I take that back? You go and do your stuff. So anyways, yeah. Those are all my fidgets now, and I'm so grateful. Shout out to my dad for actually buying me all of this for my birthday. My birthday is September 22nd, and I'm so excited for my birthday. It's on my school days, so yeah, I'm going to show my classmates and do a bit of a surprise. So, yeah. And these are all of them together. As you can see, so those are all of my fidgets. So I'll show you them in order, biggest to smallest. Of course, we know the mega is the biggest, right? Okay, and then the second biggest, which I would say this one is a bit bigger. This one's bigger, but this one is thicker, so I put them in the same category. This is next, the Among Us poppet. And then we have this. It may look quite big on your screen, but it's a bit smaller in real life. And yeah, that is second last. And last one, we all know, it's the carry around fidget. You can carry this around like almost anywhere, like the mall, if your parents are, or just there to like the A&W. Can anyone relate? Can anyone relate? Can anyone relate? So yeah, I am probably going to be saying this almost everywhere. It's one of my favorite ones because like it's good colors, good quality. Zia, why did you throw a box at me? Yeah, this is the box where it came from. Now this is not an ad, but this company is really good. Anyways, so yeah. So guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, click the bell notifications. Bye guys. Zia. Bye.